Welcome to Coding Introduction Part 7. Today's class is about how to make the edges of the canvas so that the animated object that we made won't move out of the canvas. It will stay inside the canvas itself. So let's get started. Make sure you're ready with your code.org editor. So the last class was about how to control the animated object using the mouse cursor. So this class is about how to prevent the animated object from moving out of the canvas. Here you can see that the animated object is moving according to our mouse cursor. But you can also see that the animated object is moving out of the canvas. So for preventing that, we will be giving edges. That means we'll be making edges so that the animated object won't go out of the canvas. So here you can see that in sprites you can see a code called create edge sprites. So you can drag it and drop it inside the function draw. Then after creating the edge sprites, you can see two codes, that is sprite.bounce and sprite.bounceoff. We will try both. First we will be trying sprite.bounce. Now here instead of sprite, our variable name alien, and instead of target we will be giving edges. If you only give edge, it will show errors because we have 4 edges. So we'll be writing edges. Now let's check whether the animated object will bounce the edge or not. You can see that the animated object is moving out of the canvas because here there is a problem. We know that the animated object will be moving according to our mouse cursor. So when the mouse cursor moves out of the canvas, the alien also will move out of the canvas. So we will not be able to bounce the animated object if we are using the mouse cursor to control it. If it was simply velocity, it would have bounced. So I will be removing off the world.mousex and y. Now let's check whether it is working or not. Now you can see that the animated object has touched the edge, but it is stuck over there. It won't move out of the canvas, but it won't even move backwards. So for that we will be giving bounce off function. Now you can see that the animated object touches the edge and it moves backward. It is like bouncing from edge to edge. Now the animated object is not moving out, but it is also bouncing. So that's the difference between bounce and bounce off function. So this is how you can create the edges so that the animated object will not move out of the canvas. So I hope you all understood today's concept. If you all understood the concept today, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get instant notifications. So bye, see you in the next class.